Good morning, everyone. Cheryl Ann here today with a completed journal. This is one of my single signatures. She has 13 sheets of paper, so that's 54 sides, and she's 11 by 17. She's made out of a calendar page, and I did have to stitch on this on the back because the 12 by 12 it didn't fold enough to get and I didn't want to fold the little birdie. I would have lost that much of him, so I didn't want to fold it there, so I folded it at the tip of his peak, and then he's got the berries on the front, and then this beautiful butterfly, two butterflies on the back. This is a really nice nature journal. I really love doing nature journals. So let's take a peek. So I covered up the calendar with this book page, and I added a little ruffle, and I made a little collage up here. That's a napkin. Love this Amazon packing paper. And I made a little collage up here. This was a roll-off paper when I did my acrylics, the fall leaves. Here's another book page. I just glued this on. This is, oh, it is a pocket. Okay, well, I have something I can put in there, so I will remember to put something in there. I couldn't remember. She does have some stamping. I really had fun with this one. This is another pocket. I don't think this is a pocket. No, that's just glued on there. A little cluster. I got to use all different kinds of papers. Most of them are lightly coffee stained. And this one folds out. I didn't want to cut the paper, so I folded it back in. That one has some nice birds. This is Elsie Bill's bookshelf. She has some really nice nature notes. And I thought, oh, that went so well. So I tucked that one in there. Some nice graph paper. Some scrapbook paper with another pocket. This is a book page. And again, I folded that back in. This has a little book that I just made some pockets and put some items in there. I watched a bunch of videos by Zoe Defuy. I don't know if I said that right. I hope I'm not massacring her name. That's one of my own pockets that I made, and she really inspired me to try to extend my comfort zone. So like this was one of her ideas. It's a fold out. It's all pockets. So there's a pocket here, and a pocket here. And then there's a pocket here. There's just pockets everywhere. Pocket here and a pocket here. But you know what? I went out of my comfort zone. I tried some of the things she did, and I really enjoyed it. So I'll be making more things like that. But this one does have plenty of room to write or draw. That's just a little cluster. This is the middle. Pretty scrapbook paper. There's another cluster. Here's another pocket. I used that one because it had the colors, the dark blue, almost purple. And then I put that's a little, one of my snippet rolls I put on. Oh, this is Honey Puddle. I love her work. So that's a journaling card. I'm sorry, my my throat this morning. Here's an envelope. And again, it had some of the purples. I didn't do anything with that, so. And that's the back. That's the other side of that. The scrapbook paper. Here's another tuck spot. And again, this is the paper I folded over. Some more purples. Stamping. That's the roll-off paper. And then the back page, I used some more Elsie Bell's bookshelf. And that was one of my snippet rolls that I cut up. I made this tag, so that comes out. You can put that anywhere. And that's a napkin. And then some sheet music. Oh, I did make a bookmark. So she has this gorgeous bookmark that will come with her. And then this is the back pocket. And it has a lot of colorful journaling tags. And just a little book for writing. You can tuck that in anywhere. I just put it here in the back. Oh, did I say she's 11 by 17 inches, single signature. But I love these calendar pages. I have about 3 more that I want to make. And things do stick out. And she's kind of chunky for 52 writing sides, but I think she's a nice little journal. I would be happy to keep this one, but I'm going to put her in my Etsy shop, Deserts and Beyond. I'll put the link in the description and comments. Also on my Instagram, and I'll put it on my own Facebook page and share her there. So come on over, take a look if you want something that's kind of lightweight that you can take with you. She doesn't need a closure. She's fine on her own, but this would be so nice just to sit outside and write. I would go outside and sit and write, but we have too many mosquitoes right now. And I'm a mosquito magnet, so I'm not sitting outside right now. Not during August. Maybe in October, November, but not right now. So until next time, bye for now.